Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look from Carrie Underwood's Cry Pretty performance at the ACM Awards. This look was also featured on her album cover of Cry Pretty, and I thought it would be a beautiful look to recreate, so that is what I will be teaching you today. So if you'd like to know how to achieve the look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked palette, taking the color Naked on my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm lightly dusting this into the crease to add our first neutral color. To add a bit more definition in the crease, I'm then moving over to Buck with my Sigma E40 and using more of a heavy hand with this color, and using windshield wiper motions to buff out the color throughout the crease. Then I'm taking my Too Faced Naturalized palette, taking the dark matte brown. I'm using my Sigma E35 tapered blending brush to add this color in the outer V. Using the same matte brown color, I'm moving to an E30 pencil brush from Sigma, and I'm focusing this color in the outer V to contour the eye. Moving to the lids, I'm taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and with the concealer brush, I'll be applying the concealer on half of the eyelid to clear up an area for our eyelid shade we will be applying. Moving over to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm taking Fairy, very soft neutral gold, and I'm going to be applying this all over the eyelids where we applied our concealer. To add a bit more dazzle, I'm taking NYX Face and Body Glitter in Gold and just dusting it over the eyelid area just to add a bit of sparkle. In Carrie's performance, she had very beautiful luminous skin, so I'm prepping my skin with the MAC Strobe Cream, applying that all over the face to leave a beautiful natural glow to the skin. And to achieve airbrush looking skin, I'm going in with my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer to blur out the pores and keep my foundation lasting throughout the day. Carrie had very beautiful fluffy lashes in her performance, so I'm going in with the Eylure Luxe Faux Mink lashes in Gilded. Carrie had flawless skin in her performance, so I'm going in with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Full Coverage Foundation to even out my skin tone. And to achieve the beautiful bright under eye highlight that she always has, I'm going in with my Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. And after I have applied a good layer of that on both of the under eyes, I'm going to go in and blend it out with my damp beauty blender to leave a flawless blend. To achieve a perfect airbrushed under eye, we're going to set our concealer with the Mercier Loose Setting Powder, so I'll be applying that underneath my eyes with my tapered blending brush from Sigma. This is the F25. Carrie also had very beautiful bronzy skin, so I'm going in with my HOOLA Light Bronzer and using my Morphe M143 Deluxe Fan Brush, I'm going to chisel out the cheekbones. And once I make sure that my contour is not harsh whatsoever and that it's blended very nicely, I'm going to go ahead and bronze around the perimeter of the face, pushing the bronzer up into the hairline to give a overall bronzed effect on the skin. I'm going in with Urban Decay's Blackout shadow and my Sigma E45 brush and applying this in the outer V and blending it together with the gold on our eyelids. Then going in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in Zero, lining the lower waterline, then moving down to the actual lash line and lining it. Then to blend out the eyeliner, I'll be using Urban Decay's Blackout shadow and using an e.l.f. smudging brush. I'm going to blend out the edges of that eyeliner. And after that, I'm going to dust away all of the extra translucent powder that was left underneath the eyes, and our concealer is good to go. Now it is time for the glitter tears. I'm using the STILA Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Shadow in Diamond Dust. Using a Sigma E05 eyeliner brush, I'm going to make small tear-like strokes on the eyes. Don't worry about making these lines too thick. You want to make them like actual tears. So not every line is going to be the same length. It's not going to be the same size or width. You just want them to make the lines very uneven and natural looking, if you know what I'm saying. After the tears were drawn, I went in with the applicator from the glitter and applied that to the closer to the lash line just to make the glitter a bit heavier. While the glitter under the under eyes was still wet, I took my NYX glitter in Crystal and I just dusted it along the tears just to give it a little bit more of a metallic finish. For the cheek color today, I went in with Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso, using a Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush to add a light layer of this onto the cheeks. Carrie had a beautiful nude lip on, so I'm just going to go with something basic today. I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London and applying this on the lips for our lip color today. And that, you guys, is it. I hope that you enjoyed. This was such a beautiful look on Carrie. I thought that I would recreate it myself, so I do hope that you guys enjoyed the look and how it turned out. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the posts that I make in the near future. Jesus loves you guys with all of his heart. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.